Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and you may have seen my video that I posted not too long ago about the timing chains, tensioner, and guides that we did on our '01 Mustang GT. Everything went really well. However, I did want to tell you a quick story about what had happened, and it had to do with the carpet. So I put all new carpet in that car and floor mats, and you will basically prime the engine by holding the gas pedal down and cranking, and that way it will start to put some oil on the chains and start to get oil running in the engine as you're cranking it. Then you'll go to start it. Well, what happened is the gas pedal then got stuck under the floor mat because they are a little bit longer than the OEM floor mats, and it has a tendency to do that. Oh, that hurt. It went all the way to red line, bounced off the rev limiter, and I immediately shut it off. But it's a good reminder to put oil on the chains, during the repair process to help in case something like that happens. Nothing went wrong. Luckily, everything was good, and I've been driving the car for several months with no problems. But just wanted to share that. Be careful with the floor mats if you're doing a procedure like that has you push the pedal all the way to the floor. Just make sure that pedal is going to come back up and not get stuck under floor mat. So anyway, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel if you're new. Check the video description for more videos like this. Thanks, guys.